Connecting your TradeNation account to TradingView allows you to use TradingView's charting tools while managing your TradeNation trading account from the same interface. To begin, sign in to your TradingView profile. If you do not already have a TradingView profile, you will need to create one first. The TradeNation broker connection is available through TradingView's trading panel, which can be accessed from the Supercharts screen. TradeNation also confirms that the connection can be started from the trading panel or through the broker profile page. Once the chart is open, click the Trade button in the upper right corner and search for TradeNation. Select TradeNation from the broker list, then choose Connect when the pop-up appears. TradingView will then prompt you to enter your TradeNation account credentials. Use the same login details you would normally use for your TradeNation account. After the login has been accepted, your TradeNation account will be linked to TradingView. From there, you can view key account information without leaving the charting workspace. This includes your open positions, working orders, account balance, and trade history. You can also place trades directly from TradingView using your connected TradeNation account, provided your account is active and eligible for the product or market you want to trade. This connection is useful because it brings analysis and execution into one workflow. You can review the chart, apply indicators, check price levels, and manage trades from the same screen instead of switching between platforms. It can also make it easier to monitor open positions while continuing with chart-based analysis. There are a few practical points to keep in mind. Make sure you are logging into the correct TradeNation account, especially if you use more than one account type or jurisdiction. The markets and products available through the integration may vary depending on your region and account setup. If the connection does not complete, check that your TradingView profile is signed in, your TradeNation credentials are correct, and your TradeNation account is active. You can also start the connection from TradeNation's broker profile on TradingView or through the TradeNation portal. Once connected, the main benefit is a cleaner trading workflow. TradingView handles the charting environment, while the TradeNation account connection allows you to monitor and manage trades through the same platform.